What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are going to be doing the first wash on the Vectra. I'll show you around the car now. It is absolutely filthy. I mean, filthy. It's been ages since it's been washed, I remember, to be fair. So yeah, we're going to give it a right good wash, a wax, try seal the paintwork and make it all shiny again. So here we go. YouTube videos and people were like, when they were washing the cars, they were like washing it inside the exhaust out, so they were turning the hose pipe on, sticking it up exhaust and then just giving it a cheeky rev, and it looks pretty cool when water coming out, so I'm going to give it a go with Sen. Watch me car start. So this black stuff is alt stuff that's just come straight out of exhaust, and there's quite a lot. So yeah, That was pretty cool. So that now is the car rinsed to like loosen the dirt up, washed with a sponge and some like wash and wax, and well, shampoo and wax, just some cheap stuff. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use some fruity detailing quick detailer. Well, I'm going to dry it off first and then stick some of that on it. Hopefully that'll seal it a bit, and then watch it shine. So that's it all dried off. Right, what we're going to be using is this fruity detailing quick detailer, mint stuff this. If you want to get some, get in contact. £5 a bottle for this, and then they've got a cherry odour eater, which I think is £3 a bottle. So yeah, the car looks alright, looks basic, it looks kind of shiny, but if you get up close, you'll see all your little swirl marks and stuff like that, which you can kind of see around here. So what this will do, it'll just get rid of that. Basically, you're going to be using 2 cloths, so I'm using the grey one to spray it on, wipe it in. Just a quick example, by the way. And then I'm using this yellow one just to wipe it off and make it all shiny and silky smooth. So that's it. We're all nice and shiny and ready to shine for another day. We're not looking like a grey colour, I'm looking more like the Z20R black, but that's the paint code, by the way. You know, technical.
You just put your mucky handprints on it.
So what? I'm gonna have to wash it anyway, gonna. So yeah, that's it. First wash of 2020. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. If you give me a thumbs down, you're a twat. Till next time, guys. See you later.